Win the fertility battle. Connect, conceive, complete. Did you know? There is disconnection between your body and the mind. Did you know? Disconnection between your body and the mind is the root cause of all your fertility and hormonal problems. Let me prove this to you. Did you know? Modern woman menstruates 450 times in her life. Did you know? Woman begins her menstrual cycles by the average age of 16. Did you know? Woman stops her menstrual cycles by the average age of 51. Did you realize the purpose of women's body during prime age of life? During prime age of life, the purpose of women's body is all about sex, pregnancy, giving birth, nurturing children, love and relationship. All the body systems, including nervous and endocrine systems, are structured to support these activities. Even if you don't want children, can you stop your periods till the menopause? This is the unquestionable truth. Otherwise, women did not undergo menstrual cycles each and every month. Here is how. Your body and mind is being disconnected. Modern woman, due to the compulsions of the modern world, started emulating masculine activities. Sex, pregnancy, giving birth, nurturing children, love and relationship are not the priority to career-oriented women. So, the body is doing feminine activities. Mind is doing masculine activities. As a consequence, there is disconnection between the body and the mind. Disconnection between your body and mind is the root cause of all your infertility and hormonal problems. So obviously, connecting your body and mind is the real solution to all your infertility and hormonal problems. Did you understand why getting pregnancy becomes hard for you? Your body and mind are being disconnected. Your hormonal system is being disrupted. Your fertility health is being destroyed. So stop believing that getting pregnancy is hard. Stop this wrong conditioning of your mind forthwith. Constantly remind yourself that getting pregnancy is easy. All that you have to do is to connect your body and mind. Release your feminine energy consciously. So win the infertility battle. Connect your body and mind. Conceive fast. Complete as a woman. Would you like to know how to connect your body and mind and get pregnant easily? Download our free report, How Not to Remain Infertile. You can download this free report from our website www.fightyourinfertility.com. Click the links given in the description for more details. Our mission is to lead you from infertility to fertility. Give your valuable comments, whether our content is giving the confidence to you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can empower you even better. Don't forget to download our free report, How Not to Remain Infertile.